Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to generate DKIM keys in Google Workspace. So step number 1, sign in with an administrator account to the Google Admins console. Go to the menu, then Apps, then Google Workspace, then Gmail. Click Authenticate Email, and in Selected Domain menu, select the domain where you want to set up DKIM. Click the Generate New Record button, and in the Generate New Record box, select the DKIM settings, 2048 and 1024. For prefix selector options, the default prefix selector is Google. If you are using Google Workspace, this is the recommended option. If your domain already uses a DKIM with the prefix Google, enter a different prefix in this field. Click Generate on the Authenticate email page. The TXT record value is updated and this message appears: DKIM Authentication settings updated. Copy the DKIM values shown in the Authenticate email window and you'll add it at your domain provider. That's it. Thanks for watching.